Welcome everybody, my name is Luke Heffley. I'm a Contra Mestre in Capoeira and a Sistema instructor. I've dedicated my life to studying, practicing, and passing these studies on to future generations. This is the digital home of our training, and inside you'll find full training sessions updated every month, individual movement breakdowns, music, philosophy, and the deeper conversations that we usually have after class when we're sitting around eating, talking, and getting into the details of that always important question, what happened here? In a normal class, there's space for that, but we don't always have time to make it to class. And I'm also not physically available for everyone, everywhere, all the time. This space will hold structure for the community when you can't be with me in person, and will also give you access to the details and conversations that make what we do more than just movement, more than just exercise. Over the years, I've watched how details can get lost between classes, between schools, between teacher and student, between generations. And the details are where the knowledge and the real game all live. This is honestly part of a larger human problem, a knowledge problem, in my opinion, where decades or even millennia of lived knowledge can disappear in a single generation if they aren't actively practiced and transmitted. This academy exists to hopefully preserve all of the work that we do, to preserve knowledge, to preserve lineage, so it doesn't slowly fade or get diluted over time. This is for yourself, for your families, for your communities, and ultimately for the future of humans and the world and the earth. To me, that's what these arts are for. That's the ultimate work, the urgent preservation of knowledge through community, through families, and the accurate passing on of those methodologies that make preservation possible for many generations into the future. If this sounds like something you care about, something that means something to you, let's grow together, let's work together, let's build this thing together. You're in the right place. Let's get to training. See you inside.